I'm going to be showing you how to delete as well as restore deleted clients in Stack. So we're going to navigate to clients and contacts. By default, the clients page will always open. We're going to want to find that client that we want to delete. So in this list, we do have two. So we're going to select one. From here, we're going to want to delete this client. So you'll find the delete button here in the bottom right, but the one thing that you want to note is that if you have any open invoices with a client, you will not be able to delete them. But in this case, we don't have any invoicing data, so we are able to delete them. So we're just going to select delete here in the bottom right. It's going to give you the "Are you sure?" prompt. You're going to select OK, and now that client has been deleted. So say you have another project now with that client and you want to restore them. You can just include deleted clients and we'll see it right here. Click it from the list and you'll find the little restore button in the bottom right. And you are going to want to just click restore. Again, the "Are you sure?" prompt, select OK. And now this client is back in your client list. So that is how you delete and restore clients in Stack.